Electrotherm furnaces are specially designed for optimum performance with homogeneous melting. The continuous high performance of our furnaces are thanks to Electrotherm's range of versatile power supply units with wide-ranging power ratings and frequencies that suit the specific requirements of customers. Electrotherm's continuous casting machine incorporates modular and compact billet casting technology for continuous casting of billets. With the flexibility to cast a heat size as small as 5 tons, Electrotherm's continuous casting machines are suitable for both billet and bloom sections, ranging from 100 mm by 100 mm to 400 mm by 400 mm, and are designed for reduced operating cost.